Hello all, welcome to our channel. So one of the question is called how to making for YouTube short video as a long video option. It is possible or not? It is possible, but compared to the size, is a different. So first of all, we already making for YouTube short videos. We already making as a video option. Everything will be done. So this all video will be created by here. First of all, so in this video, I can remove the first screen. I'm not interested in the first screen. Delete page. And in this page, first of all, download the complete video. So what I'm delete for? Only for first video. After this one, we can download this video. Next, go to video option. Select the YouTube video. Size will be 1920 by 1080. Select it. First of all, add your image. Where you can image we have, add your image itself. This image will be CCD dealers and instance sizes Nizampet and Hyderabad. Okay, after that, add your audio itself. Okay, this task will be done. Next, already this video is downloaded going on. Yes or no? After this video download here, just you can upload will be here in video part. Okay, and add it here and make it for your long video. So that is a only one drawback. Short video will be like this. Video will be mobile mode. We can show will be like this. But long video, what will happen? If you add your short video, will be like this. And click for set as is not work will be here. So it is playing also will be very comfortable. Original video music also will be mute in Canva. The option name is here. We can original music also we can mute. Add your own music. See this. What is not comfortable? You can like this. Just like and hit it. This is both can will be same, but compared to the if it's a short video also we can compare to the long video, but it will be too much of zoom. So that is called we can use this method also. And background don't use in white. Some other color you can utilize, which is your background will be here. So that is the purpose. Click here, go for background. Another backgrounds are very comfortable. Add your backgrounds here. So general background you can add it here. After in the background will be done. So go to images, add your logo in all image videos. So I can go to this white color. Next. We can use. This we can visible by the odd video option. Okay. Delete right now. Add will be which video will download it. I can add by this. Yes. This is a total video where you can play. That is the logo we can visible and we can visible by the phone number also. This is called we can short video convert into long video also. This is a 49 seconds. If any other image you can require, can add by image also will be here itself. Is it clear? So long video will be converted into short video. Only one option. In short video, we can delete by one image here. This first image. So all are deleted. So I can re back to the image. We can click the option name is Control Z. So that is back will be here. This is the option. So this is a method we can follow. What are the videos you have into this particular short video, we will convert into long also. So same content will be there. Only one keyword will change in the front of the screen. In the below on the under screen, any content you have to change. Change it and the make it and the common content for all keywords without location. Make it as a common video and convert into short to long video also. Why? Because the CCTV is the same size will be provided. Same short will convert into long also. So anything will be copied this one. This is your own video, no copyrights. This is not for earning purpose. You are converting to this video will be your business purpose. So you have no more videos are there or else. You can make it your short also long and you can making long video will be with the videos also will be there. I'll show two options. Already we are showing will be here. Exist videos also will convert into the long video. But all the short video is there. Content will be same. Make it for long video option. So follow this information and make it video upload on long video and short video compulsory important. So don't forget any further this procedure and increase your business based on the more adding for videos. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.